Rundown is a reduced coconut sauce dish that you can mop up with fresh, supple, yummy dumplings. Today, I'm going to show you how to make the perfect mackerel rundown. Let's get into it. There are 4 main stages to this dish and it's pretty straightforward. First we have to prep our mackerel, then we make our sauce, make our dumplings, and then put everything together. Some people boil their mackerel, but I prefer to just soak it in water overnight. It will desalinate your fish and also add back moisture to the mackerel. So that's what we're gonna do, and let me show you how to do it. Let's go. The secret to get rundown is fresh coconut milk. Fresh coconuts behave differently from processed milk in that the processed milks tend to be homogenized, so you won't get that nice curling action going on and the oil separating from the liquid as easily. Plus, it tastes extremely different. Fresh coconuts have that earthy yet floral flavor, where processed milk, you know, they make the cut, but they do kind of taste like they have coconut extract in them. Here's a new trick I discovered. If you put your coconut milk into a glass container, you will see the cream rises to the top. Cooking the cream only, you will shorten the reduction time significantly. All right, time for some magic. Look at all of that good oil. Oh my gosh, guys, look at my beautiful bowl of mackerel rundown. Oh my gosh, it can't get any better than this. Remember to hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe, guys. This is the only way to get more awesome content like this. Are you guys ready for mukbang? I am. Let's get into it. All right, let's dig into these soft pillowy cassava dumplings. Get some of that coconut oil and custard. Got some mackerel right here. And onion. Get some scallion on there. Coconut sauce. Onion, a scallion, and some scotch bonnet. This is sweet and salty. It's like a pina colada. Guys, it has been my pleasure to cook this with you, and I'm gonna finish eating this because it's so yummy. I hope you guys try it this week. Enjoy. Bye.